This is the story of how Robert sold his Surgoinsville, Tennessee home as his too many repairs for the MLS closed fast without an agent. There was too much that needed fixing for him to list it the normal way, and he didn't want to wait around for months. Favor Home Solutions made it simple. Here's how it happened. Robert had known for a while that his home in Surgoinsville, Tennessee needed work. The list wasn't a short one. Roofing issues, outdated systems, structural wear that had built up over the years. The kind of repair pile that grows faster than most homeowners can chip away at it, especially when life keeps moving and budgets don't stretch far enough. He wasn't neglecting the property out of indifference. He simply couldn't afford to fix everything the house needed before selling, and the gap between the home's current condition and what any traditional buyer or lender would require was too wide to close on his own. The MLS wasn't a realistic path. Listing a home in that condition through a real estate agent means repair negotiations, inspection contingencies, financing hurdles, and buyers who walk when the inspector's report comes back. Robert had run that math. It didn't work. He needed a sale that didn't require him to pour money he didn't have into a property he was trying to move on from, and he needed it without months of showings, open houses, and deal fall-throughs. And every conventional route ran into the same wall. Financed buyers couldn't close on a home that wouldn't pass a lender's condition standards. Even an as-is MLS listing still meant negotiating as-is, with inspection reports used to chip at the price. An agent's commission stayed the same while the agent's ability to help shrank. None of it fit a house that needed more than he could spend. So after researching how to sell a house as is in Tennessee without going through the MLS, Robert reached out to Favor Home Solutions. They buy houses across Surgoinsville and all of Tennessee, in any condition, with no agent, no repairs, and no commissions. He explained the condition honestly and laid out what he needed: a straightforward offer, no agent involved, and a close on his schedule. From there, it was simple. First, Favor Home Solutions assessed the property as it stood and made a cash offer based on what it actually was, not what it would be after $30,000 in renovations. Then, there were no agent commissions, no inspection contingency demands, and no drawn-out back and forth. And finally, they moved to close without requiring a single repair, quickly and cleanly. Here's what Robert walked away with. The home sold completely as is: roofing, outdated systems, structural wear and all, with not a single repair. There was no agent and no commission, a direct sale, the full proceeds his. And it was fast, no showings, no open houses, no deals falling through. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on repairs he couldn't afford. Zero agent commission off the top. Favor Home Solutions made a fair offer on the home exactly as it stood and closed on his timeline. And the weight Robert had been carrying lifted. No repair pile to chip away at. No MLS listing that would stall on condition. No financed buyer walking at inspection. No months of showings and fall-throughs. The property that had become a weight rather than an asset was simply behind him. The result? Robert closed quickly and cleanly, walked away with cash, and finally moved on the end of carrying a property that had become a weight and a clean start on the other side. Maybe Robert's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. More repairs than you can afford, a home that won't qualify for financing, wanting to skip the agent and commissions, no patience for months of showings, any condition, or simply needing a fast, certain close. If your home in Surgoinsville or anywhere across Tennessee needs more work than you can take on, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is: no agent, no repairs, no commissions, a fair cash offer, and a close on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.